Hey, I just wanted to drop in really quickly to talk about the website Words Workshop. As you probably read in the email, I'm so excited about it, and I've kind of gone into quite a lot of detail because I just think that it will provide you with so much value. I know from experience how important it can be, not only to have a website that converts, but actually to learn these really basic copywriting skills and sales psychology copywriting skills that you can use then for your marketing for everything. So from blog posts to Instagram captions to email sequences, I've made sure everything I teach within the website Words Workshop is really transferable to writing anything else for your business. I know it'll be so valuable for you. I know you're probably thinking, oh, do I have time to do this? And that's why I've really tried to design it in a way that cuts out the overwhelm. So it's over 4 weeks. So you know this is the start point, this is the end point. The modules are actually drip fed, so you're not bombarded with all this information up front that you just have to kind of work through. It's like a module a week, and you kind of know when the next one's coming, and you can kind of cut out that overwhelm, because the last thing I want to do is add to your to-do list because I know it's already overflowing. It's really affordable. I've made sure of that as well, which is why it's pre-recorded video, so you can learn your own time. And then I do live coaching as well, so you can ask me any question you want every week. I can dictate the time, so if there's a time that doesn't suit, we can kind of add in another coaching call to make sure it works. So I know time is a big one. I know money is a big one. It can cost thousands to hire a website copywriter. When you try and do it yourself, it can kind of work for a bit. But as your business grows, as we know, we want to look more professional. We want to be able to pull in more clients. And website copy really can be a game changer in that respect. So I'm going to leave it there. I'm going to leave it up to you. The bonuses are a limited time only, so I do suggest you get in quick if you do want to take advantage of those. And I cannot wait to see you there. I know this can be a real game changer for your business. So I will see you in the website Words Workshop, I hope. All right, see you soon. Bye bye.